You know, fam, Eric's still in bed, so we're gonna wake him up.
Good morning, Dada.
Good morning. Say hi to the fam. I don't know what he said. He's speaking
Dad, what did you
gibberish.
just say? That people are watching you. People are watching. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. Turn notifications to be a huge thumbs up.
Let's get Ruby turned over. She's a good girl. She sleeps all the night. She only wakes up 2 times a night to nurse. 2 to 3 times. Not bad. And one of those times is like early morning, so it's not bad. This is me this morning. I did shower. I've showered
It's my
today.
birthday, so I get to sleep in Mama's bed.
Oh yeah, every birthday, the girls get to sleep in my bed with me. Bonnie, no. All right, it's time to take Ray Ray to school. Her first day to school as a 5-year-old. Okay, so we are at the school now. We're waiting for the teachers to open the door. My car needs cleaned. Like it needs like deep cleaned.
Yeah, like vacuum.
Yeah, Bobby. I know. Yeah. Okay, guys. It is time for a grocery haul. Family of 6. Family of 6 grocery haul. Okay. Nope. I'm gonna do the grocery haul.
I
Nope.
want to.
No, ma'am. Oh yeah, you can have one. Okay. First of all, it's still kind of in bags. Eric's doing the tile today, so that's why this is out to do this tile. So, I'll start with fruits and vegetables. Oh, wait, Kendall, will you go give baby Binky? We got a mini watermelon, bananas, strawberries. I have all the colors of peppers. I have chives, green beans. Why does it seem like it's not? Bonnie, get down. Bonnie's trying to eat our food too. Cucumbers, some salad, iceberg lettuce, cauliflower, tomatoes, and then I'm gonna start with our, what does she have? Oh, we put her in her kennel. Sorry, guys. And then we have our meats. I have ground turkey and Jimmy Dean regular sausage. And I didn't end up getting everything unpacked. So I got these. I've never had them before, but they're prime rib beef steak burgers. So I'm curious to try those. I got these sausages, you guys. They're so good. They're sweet apple chicken sausages. Let's get it to focus there. And they're really good. And they're good for you. I mean, they're good. I got some sausage links. And what else is in here? You know, I'm just gonna go through everything. Got some sour cream. Butter. We only eat real butter around here. Salted butter. Thanks to Ashley. I got a new creamer because I'm trying to cut down on my dairy, and I got oat milk creamer. Carson told me about it, so I'm gonna try that today. Let's see what it's like. Eggs, a ton of eggs. Apple juice. The girls got some Capri Suns. I got some snacks for the kids. These are like mandarin oranges. And then they requested these cute goldfish, Minnie Mouse, Minnie and Mickey Mouse. And they have the new shape, which is the mouse. I also got, sorry, it's like not even all together. We have so much, we get so many groceries, you guys. Okay, go get a wipe. I got some cod. I want to make some fish tacos out of that. So I'm going to try that. What else do I have? I have tons of stuff. Oh, she wants to show you this little person. Oh, cute. Cute. Okay. I got bagels, string cheese, grapes, coffee, I got this bag of potatoes. I'm so happy that they have a bigger bag because I really like these. Okay, one more. Cute. Cute. I got cereal. Yes. I know. They're not for me though. They're for the kids. Honey roasted. And your shoes. Yeah. Okay. I got turkey lunch meat. Cream cheese. Regular cheese. Biscuits. Yogurt. Shredded cheese for when I'm lazy. They're right here. Maybe this wasn't the best time to do a grocery haul. Everyone's hungry, including myself. Okay, sorry guys. I have some garlic, because I use that a lot when I cook. Tuna fish, chicken. This is really good. Creamy vodka Prego sauce. Yummy. Milk. I got some of these rotini noodles. Okay, back to it. Sorry. I don't even know where I was. Oh, Crisp and Thins barbecue. Z-bars. The girls really like these for snacks. Macaroni and cheese. Rotini. I got buns for our stuff. I got a couple of these because the kids really wanted them. I don't know. And the cereal that they wanted. I'm trying to not... I need to cut down on my sugary stuff, guys. But that's it. Dad went to go bring Ray her cupcakes for school and her balloon. Ray's back home and we are going to, where are we gonna go?
Onto the beach.
Yes.
Can I have some? No.
We are about to go.
Yep, we're
But I gotta put my hair up. Then we'll go. All right. We're getting in. We're getting headed out.
Yes, I have one of my rings.
Eric's looking nice. What a nice looking feller.
I forgot one.
It's on my chin. Okay. Oh, good. Everyone's buckled?
Yes, I'm buckled.
Okay. Let's roll. Okay, you people. We are in Lincoln City. We went to Dutch Brothers and I got some coffee and a cookie. I'm hungry. I know that's not the best thing to do, but I did it because we're going to be driving around for a little bit. And I was hungry. Oh, we're going to unbuckle a little bit. And then I got this one sleeping, Jude sleeping. Oh, Rachel's not. He's coming right back. Anyway, just want to update you where you guys are at, where we're at, and we are going to drive around and pass out business flyers, and then we're gonna go eat. The girls got their cookies and they woke up. Look at that cookie, it's like as big as your face. Put it in front of your face. Whoa! We out here hustling. Okay, we stopped because I needed to nurse the baby. The baby. And everyone unbuckled to get a stretch. Tell them there's chickens. Tell the fam. The fam. Yuck, you spit on my lip. Ray. Please don't. I don't like that. Anyway, they were all just fighting. Say chicken. Yeah, get all your stretching out now because Ashley's not there.
The day master! I see the day master!
He's probably wondering what we're doing parked here because he's still walking around, but I had to stop, you know. Okay, we are at our destination, Dory Cove. It is good. Let's go in. You ready, Judy? Lego.
Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. Good job, dude. We're right there.
Okay, guys, this is the clam chowder and it's so good.
It'll be here.
I want to
Be careful, Ray. It might be too hot.
No, it's not.
Here's Raylan's. She got a cheeseburger. Is it good, Ray? Judy's. She's eating my clam chowder. Oh, no she's not. She's eating someone else's. Rachel's. Look, you got your... Okay, there's mine. Prime rib, garlic mashed potatoes. Eric's was delicious. How is it? Really? Oh, I'm gonna have to try that. Eric thinks it's all about me. It ain't just all about me. We made it. We made it. Jackson 5, look alive. Sick. We made it. We made it. We out here. We out here.
Hut, hut.
We're gonna go figure out what we're doing next. See you then. Welcome to the Oregon coast. It's pouring rain, but we wanted to look at it and show the kids. It's pretty. I need to nurse the baby. And everyone, okay, that's hilarious. Someone dodged the police officers. I watched it. It was oh, look at the seagulls. You want to feed them?
Yeah.
Watch. Watch. Give me your cookie. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Hang on. Wait, unbuckle Rachel. Go unbuckle Rachel. Hang on, Rachel. We're coming for you. Watch. Look. Well, I don't really want to say hi, but... Here. Here's one for you. Rach, come here. Here's one for you. Throw it to it. It will fly away. Throw it. Rach, come on. Come on, Pekingese. Come up here. Let's go see the birds. Here, move this. Move this. There. Okay, come on. Did it? Let's let Rachel throw it. Come on, Capinos. Why aren't you wearing your sweater? It's freezing out here. Come on. Come here. You're just falling all over the place. Ouch, Ray. You're kicking me. Come here. Do you want to see the bird? Look. Look. Wait. Don't run to it. No, Rach. Watch. Watch. No, don't get close to it. Stay. Rachel, stay. Rachel.
It has blood on it.
No, that's what it has on it. Look.
I'm trying to feed it.
Okay. Hey, you girls. Stay right here. Don't go down there. Look. It's running away because it's scared. Look at the water, girls. Look. We're going to have to get in the car, though, because it's raining.
On the bench.
Okay, I got to get the baby. No, don't chase the seagull. It will be scared. Come here. Let's see if we have more food for it.
Yeah.
Come on. Let's get it food. It wants more food. Come on, Rach.
I'll give it food.
Is there more food? Come here. She got more cookie for it.
Got it. I'll get some.
Go give it. Go throw it to it.
That's all wet. Oh, my cookie. What's cookies?
You know, if you start throwing it food, more birds are gonna come.
Yes. I'm trying to see if there's more.
Come here, Rach.
Here it goes. Here it goes. It's not for you. There you go.
You're throwing it too far. It's not gonna come to us. Okay, come here, Rach. Oh my. Okay, come here. I gotta get the baby. Come to mom. Let's go in the car. You can sit in the front seat. Come on. Come sit in the front seat. Come on. Hurry, come on. No, because you're getting in my seat. Now you can't get in my front seat. Aw, man.
I got more cookies.
Come on. No, I have to feed the baby and I can't have you guys out here with me not out here. So you gotta come in. Come on, hurry, sit right here. Do you want to sit in the front seat?
I can sit in the front seat.
Okay, we got out and fed some seagulls. We're back in the car. I'm nursing, changing a diaper. Eric's still walking around neighborhoods. Everyone's walking on the beach. You probably can't see. They're all walking on the beach despite the rain around here. Ruby's awake for the beach. Hi, Ruby girl. Aww. Look, Ruby.
Mama, why do they get to know
Hi. My baby. No, no holding it. It's mama. Mama. Mama.
Rachel!
Uh-oh.
No!
Rach.
Trying to spray them. Innocent bystander. Eric's back, he's sweating. And we're leaving the beach. In the loop-de-loop and a doop-de-doop and a loop-de-loop and a boop-de-boop and a doop-de-doop and a shloopy-shloop. We home. We home though. Oh, getting out of the car. Oh, stretch. Ooh. It's time to stretch. It's time to stretch. It's time to stretch. Oh, there they are.
Books and bunnies and bears. Woof, woof. And big dinosaurs too. Woof. Funny puppy. That's not a real bone. Woof, woof. Look, Biscuit. There are more books over here.
Good night, Bonnie. Okay, guys. Eric's reading to Ray. And we are getting ready to call it a night. It's been a long day. So we will see you tomorrow on our next daily vlog. Good night.